The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Big Bully Turf. Hey, are you tired of watering your lawn? Artificial turf, hardscapes, putting greens, and pet turf are all offerings of Big Bully Turf. Owner Carla Arzubiaga is here to tell us more. Carla, for viewers who may be new to Big Bully Turf, talk to me about what makes your company different from other turf companies.
Well, I started this company out of my need for turf for my home, for my dog. And I wasn't finding what I wanted. It wasn't beautiful, it wasn't lush, and it didn't stay cool, and it didn't drain. And sometimes the customer experience was not that great. So I decided I can do this better, and I started my own company. I developed my own turf, which I did a full drainage. That means it's a weave back, and I made it pink because I love pink. But really, compared to what you find out there in the big box stores, everything within a 1 square foot typically just has 6 punch holes, and the water has to figure out how to get out. And it can't. On this one, it drains all the way through. So your doggy does its business, it goes all the way through. You spill mustard ketchup, you rinse it right off. Wow. Another thing is the white backing keeps it so much more cooler than the other turfs that you find out there. I wanted something that when you get out of the pool in this hot Austin climate, you're going to be able to have cool feet and your kids' feet as well.
There are a lot of turf products out there. Is there anything else that you want to mention that makes Big Bully different?
Well, besides the actual turf and the design of the turf, and I'm trying to keep it simple, it's really also about the fact that it has its own antimicrobials that help, again, with that pet smell. And the idea is also that I made it a 2-inch pile height. That means the needle, the glass blade, it's 2 inches. Most things out there are only about 1 inch. I was trying to remember when I was a kid playing on the lawns, then this is what you want. This is what you want your feet to feel like. And I wanted to make sure my dog Waffles, who's our mascot, had comfy feet.
I will say Waffles is very cute.
Yes, so she was the inspiration for all this. So that's how this all began.
Oh, I love that. Okay. Why are so many homeowners, especially here in Austin, starting to make the switch to turf?
Oh, because we were just talking about it. The heat, right? And plus, it's easier to go out and do a lot of activities. I've noticed that Austin, people are out there all the time having fun. They're either going out, biking or listening to music. So they don't want to be at home mowing their lawns. But they do want to be at home entertaining their families, right? Having the kids play, the grandkids play.
For viewers that are watching at home and wondering how to get in touch with you, let's talk about how to get started.
It's really easy. You just go to bigbullyturf.com, the name of our company. And on there, you'll be able to find information particularly about the Austin market, how we use the turf there. You'll be able to find things about our antimicrobials.
Inspired by Waffles, but giving back to the Austin community.
Yes.
I love it. Thank you so much, Carla.
Thank you.
Learn more at bigbullyturf.com. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Big Bully Turf.